G'day everybody, Suzana Dancks here. I am excited to announce that I have got a giveaway happening. I did a video on this piece. It's very glittery. I'm just trying to see if you can see all the glitter in there. It's kind of a reverse geode because geodes usually have all the shiny shimmery things in the middle, and I've done it on the outside just a bit different. So I did a video on this piece and I can't find it in my camera, somehow it has disappeared from my camera. I probably deleted it by accident. So I was looking at it and I thought, well, it's quite a pretty piece and I would like to give it away to somebody special who loves glitter. Look at that. So, hi back. I just did a whole section without actually pressing record button. Very important thing. Note to self, don't forget to press that record button. So, I'm definitely not one for this sort of stuff. I'm more of a, creative artist. Okay, so all you have to do is click on the link below in the description box, and that will take you directly to my Facebook art page. And then I would like you to share it, like it first, and then share it onto your page or your profile. That would really help me, and I would really appreciate it. What you have to do is you have to tag me in the actual share or mention me or something, make sure that the name is highlighted so that I get the notification and I can track that you did this. And then I will take your name and put it aside for the draw. The draw, I want to really do this weekly for a little while. I have a lot of paintings that I can give away. Some of them are acrylic, some of them are resin, and I usually give away a lot of my paintings, especially the small ones. And for Christmas I donated probably about 15 paintings to a really good charity. So it was a good cause. It has to do with kids and battered women, and that's a terrible word to use, with abused women. I love doing this sort of thing, but also I don't ask for any donations, and I will never ask for any donations. I'm not like that. So this will really help me because it'll help the spread my work and what I do. I teach artists how to work with resin, how to use different techniques. So, and also to help me, bring more people to my website and hang in there and, look through my artwork and purchase some of my art. So it all helps. So I'm happy to give away some of my paintings, and so we can work together like this. I think it's a good system. So, very excited. I don't want to be rambling on too much. This was done on an MDF board, which is about 5 millimeters thick. On the back of the board, I will fix some fixings for you to be able to hang it. But you can also display it in like a plate display, one of those things that hold plates up. And I'll have my stamp there, my signature, and also a name of a person that I am giving it to. So quite exciting. If you like blingy stuff, if you like the shimmer of and the sparkles, you will love this one because it's super clear, super smooth, and each way you kind of look at it, you're getting all this beautiful bling coming from all over the place. So so you have nothing to lose really. The only thing you have to pay for is the shipping. Shipping to Australia won't be much at all for this piece because I'm not sure how much it weighs. I can weigh it right away because I've got my scale here. But shipping to America also shouldn't be, come on, turn on, too bad, because like I said, it's not terribly heavy. Let's try and put it on. So it's telling me that it's 1 kilo, but I don't believe it. Let's go this way. Okay. Certainly doesn't feel like 1 kilo. So anyway, 1 kilo, which is not a lot. I can work out, or you can work out how much it would cost to, oh, actually it's not 1 kilo. Hold on a minute. Something went wrong with my scale here. Why is it showing me 500 grams? Come on. Okay, so now start from 0. Come on. Okay, let's try now. 535 grams. I thought so. I'm pretty good usually with weights. Okay, so that's 530 grams. So it's half a kilo, and not a lot. Probably add a box to package it, and you know, bubble wrap doesn't weigh anything pretty much. So probably 600 grams. Not a lot. 600-700 grams wouldn't be a lot to ship to America or other countries. So do look into that. It's certainly not going to cost as much as it would, nowhere near as much as it would for you to buy a piece like that. And if you are already an artist and love doing this kind of stuff as well, then you know, if you don't want to be in the run, that's fine. That's all good. So I'm rambling now. As usual, I'm about to do a pour, so stay tuned, and I hope I see some shares and I collect enough names to be able to pull out of the hat. That will happen on Sunday, not this Sunday coming, next Sunday, Australian time. So I will put all the information in the description, and you can maybe work out times with your, you know, all you have to do is Google time in Sydney right now, and it'll tell you the time differences. So, okay, I love you all. Keep creating, keep doing what you do, keep expressing yourselves through art. You know, art is not just painting and pouring. It's all kinds of things. It's laughter, it's dance, it's sculpture, you know, it's drama, not the drama that we all love, no, but it's like acting and, you know, that kind of stuff. So there's art in every cooking is art. I tell you, some people can create some amazing things. So yeah, keep creating. That's what it's all about. Love you all. Mwah. Hello. Oh. So, where was I? The way to do this, the way to do it is, okay. So I would like you to share my. Okay. So what I would like you to do is click on the link below, which says Suzana Dancks Soul Art. I forget my own group, but there's so many different things. I mean, and I would like you to like the group, the page. Oh God, get it right. Profile thing, Facebook. Why? Okay, so what I would like you to do to be put in the run for, oh God, come on. What is wrong with me? I can't talk this morning. How many coffees did I have? I had 2 coffees. Okay, no excuse. I had 2 coffees.